What do scientists still not know about black holes? Even as new detectors and telescopes have been able to tell us more and more about black holes in the past decades, scientists still have hundreds of questions about black holes. What do they eat, and how often? What happens as stuff falls in? When it falls in, how much comes back out? Does this stuff end up causing the black hole to spin? How are these black holes created in the first place? There are more fundamental questions, too, ranging from what's inside a black hole, to how are supermassive black holes tied to their galaxies. Everything about black holes is absurd. It's very appealing to say they can't possibly exist, except that both our theories and our observations show that they must and in fact do exist, said Professor Holz. One thing that keeps scientists awake at night is whether information that falls into a black hole is truly gone forever. There are other laws of physics that say that all information in the universe is preserved. Even if you burn a notebook, its information could theoretically be recovered from the traces and gases that are left behind, as well as the light that was emitted. But as far as we can tell, it's possible that the information within a notebook dropped into a black hole could be truly erased from the universe. What is the closest black hole to Earth? We don't actually know. Small black holes, the mass of our Sun and only a few miles across, are hard to detect, so some may quietly be living in the galactic neighborhood without us knowing. The nearest supermassive black hole is the one at the center of our galaxy, named Sagittarius A star. Nevertheless, don't worry, Earth is in no danger of falling into a black hole. Will the Sun become a black hole? No, our Sun is too small to become a black hole. According to calculations first made by Chicago professor Subramanian Chandrasekhar, only stars that are at least 1.4 times bigger than our Sun become black holes. Instead, our Sun will first expand, and then contract into a cooling object called a white dwarf. But none of that will start for another billion years or so. When the Sun starts to run out of fuel,